And then the next thing out of his mouth was, I'm not raising any victims.
Yeah.
If you ever want those things to change, you have to have a seat at the table. And when you get that seat at the table, don't you ever forget where you came from and help others. And I lost my dad over 40 years ago. And this is how I honored that message. Because, you guys, the challenges you're facing today, different than when I faced when I got out of college, but there's always going to be challenges. And what you need to do is build some relationships, have some people that you can trust and go to that are going to give it to you straight and give you some advice. And I hope you will see me as that resource. There's no shame in my game. The last young lady I mentored was a young lady growing up in the projects in the Bronx. She came here from Dominican Republic. I am happy to report she just graduated with her master's degree at the University of Albany. And I
That's
call her one of
awesome.
my extra children.
That's
So,
awesome.
yeah,
Well, thank you so much, Lynn. So remind us where we can find you again, Lynn. What's the best way to reach out to you?
LinkedIn. That's I am very active on LinkedIn, so that's the easiest way. And then once we connect, we can exchange phones and emails and whatever else, depending on what somebody needs.
Okay, guys. So that's Lynne Labrador. You can
Yeah,
find
all
her on
one
LinkedIn.
word.
Yeah. You can find her on LinkedIn. So it seems like Lynn, you sound very open to people reaching out to you.
Of
So if
course.
somebody in the chat wants to do
I
that,
love people. My daughter teases me that I would talk to a tree if I thought it would talk back. So
that's a good one. I haven't heard that one. That's a good one.
that's what my daughter said.
So Lynn, thank you so much for your time. You've been really generous with your time. Really appreciate that you're willing to do this live and come out and talk to us in real time. So